Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom on your browser. First, ensure your web browser is up to date for the best experience. A strong internet connection is also essential for smooth, uninterrupted gameplay. Many websites host browser-friendly versions, so finding one is usually straightforward. Prepare your keyboard and mouse, as these are typically the primary control methods for these classic games. Get ready to dive into the action. To find a browser version, simply use a search engine and type phrases like Play Doom Online or Doom Browser Game. You will discover various options, including emulated versions and fan-made ports. Always take a moment to verify the website's legitimacy to ensure a safe experience. Look for sites that provide clear instructions and control layouts, making it easier to jump right into the action. Happy hunting for your perfect browser Doom. If you already own Portal on PC, you can stream it directly to your Android device. This involves installing a streaming application on both your computer and your phone. Your PC will run the game, and the application will send the video and audio to your Android device while relaying your touch or controller inputs back to the computer. A strong local network connection, preferably 5 GHz Wi-Fi, is crucial for minimal latency and a responsive gaming session. To truly optimize your Doom experience, consider a few tips. Closing any unnecessary browser tabs can significantly improve game performance, ensuring smoother frame rates. For maximum immersion, switch to full-screen mode, letting the game fill your entire display. Adjusting the sound settings can also enhance the classic, intense atmosphere. Finally, explore different browser versions. Some might offer unique features or better compatibility with your system. Enjoy your demon-slaying adventure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.